Take a look at this 2004 Toyota Camry LE 4-door sedan. 2-owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker, 0 deductible, extended warranty, good anywhere included. You can take to any Toyota dealer in the country, 3 months, 3,000 miles. Motor, transmission, air conditioning, fuel injectors, water pump, fuel pump, gas pump, plus many more. Check the warranty coverage on the pictures. There's 33 photos online. 114,000 miles, new brakes, complete new exhaust system. This car needs nothing now. It's got one bruise right there. It was crumbled. We just painted over it. It's solid. There's no Bondo in it or anything. Come check this out at Tempest Motors. You can have your mechanic check it out. We take all forms of payments and or trades. If you need help with financing, we can also help arrange that right here on the premise. So come check this out at Tempest Motors, where we specialize in out-of-state, rust-free automobiles. Service ready to go with a warranty. This one even has the power seats, power driver's seat, power windows, door locks, cruise, tilt, stereo, owner's manual, 2 sets of keys, remote start. If you're looking for something for $59.95, this is a heck of a buy. Look around and then come take a look at this. I'm sure you'll want to drive it home. Thank you.